Hi guys, I'm Kylie and I'm about to hit the market, but before that, I would like to share my top 3 favorite products from Lana.ph. So let's start with Lana's Soothe and Hydrate Gentle Cleanser. I super duper love this and I already switched to this cleanser because it's soap free, which means it was able to gently remove the dirt on my face and it was able to exfoliate my face without even removing its natural moisture. Second is Lana's DNA Repair Elixir. So this one repairs and tightens our pores while it brightens it. It also has anti-pollution benefits. So now that I'm about to go out, I do know that I will have less impurities coming to my face. Wow! Because of this product. So the last but not the least is Lana's Skin Protect Brightening Sunblock. This is the grabbing sunblock that I've tried. This one is SPF 80 PA+++. Compared to other sunblocks, they only have SPF 50 PA+++, tatlong plus, but this one, it has SPF 80 PA+++. And even though it has that kind of formulation, it's not sticky. It has a matte finish. It can be used as a primer. Wow, it smells so good. And it has no white cast, so you can take your selfie with it even though you have heavy makeup on your face. This one is even cheaper compared to the existing products in the market. It's not sticky. It's very, very lightweight. So there you go guys. These are my top 3 favorite products from Lana.ph. Make sure to check them out. See you again on my next video. Bye!